Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. All stages of enlightenment are thoroughly clear. Appearing before each sentient being, he gives all the Buddhas equal truth. Furthermore, the enlightening being, sublime light of pure virtue, the great spiritual hero, found the door of liberation going to all assemblies of enlightening beings. Enlightening beings in the 10 directions and adorning the sites of enlightenment. The enlightening being, light of the supreme lamp of universal virtue, found the door of liberation in a single instant, showing endless entrances to attainment of true awakening, teaching and developing inconceivable worlds of sentient beings. The enlightening being, lion banner of universal light, showing the adornments of all Buddha fields in one congregation at a site of enlightenment. The enlightening being, light of universal knowledge, illumining the realm of Buddhahood, found the door of liberation, following the Buddha investigating the most profound and enormously vast matrix of the cosmos. The enlightening being, light of inexhaustible virtue, of universal purity, found the door of liberation, entering into all mundane activities and producing the boundless practices of enlightening beings. The enlightening being, universal supreme light, found the door of liberation, able to manifest the spheres of all Buddhas within the formless realm of truth. At that time, the enlightening being's sublime light of pure virtue, the spiritual hero, empowered by the Buddha, looked over the ocean of liberation doors of all the enlightening beings and said in verse, "All lands there be and the 10 directions are beautified and purified, all in an instant, by the sublime voice turning the wheel of truth throughout the world without an equal. The realm of the Buddha has no bounds. In an instant the cosmos is filled. In every atom he sets up an enlightenment site, proving enlightenment in all, creating mystic displays. Buddha cultivated practices in the past extending through countless eons, adorning all Buddha fields, appearing unhindered like space. The Buddha's spiritual powers are unlimited.